Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is day 21 of solving daily LeetCode problems. Let us see what today's problem is. So it says custom sort string and it is a medium level problem. So let us first try to understand the problem by reading it. So here it is given that two strings order and s are given. All the characters of order are unique and were sorted in some custom order previously. Permute the characters of S so that they match the order that was sorted. More specifically, if a character X occurs before a character Y in order, then X should be occur before Y in the permutated string. Written any permutation of given string that satisfy this property. So question says that we are given with two strings, namely order and s, and order is unique, which contain characters ordered in certain way, and we have to return a string result which will contain the string characters in that order followed by other characters of the string. So let us see example number 1. Here order is CBA and string is ABCD. So we have to generate a permutation of string S such that it contains CBA and followed by D, or you can say, and here it is given that any of these answer is accepted, means the order should be for CBA and D can be present at any place. So we will try to generate this output where the other characters will appear at the last of the array. So let us try to solve this problem. So here first we will create an unordered map to store all the frequencies of characters in the given string. Let us give that a name MP, and then I will run a for loop int I equals to 0 such that I less than s dot length and I plus plus. In this loop, I will store the frequency of all the characters present in my given string. So si, and here I will increment it. Okay. Next, what we will do is we will create a idx index which will store the id or the index value. Then I will create a string result which will be initially blank. Then we will run a while loop such that my id is less than my order dot length. And what I have to do is I have to simply take the character from my order and then push it back into my answer. For like pushing it back to my result, first I will check whether it is present in my unordered map or not. So I will find mp.find my character if not equals to mp.end. This line means that my character is present. Okay, so let us add a comment here. It checks for the presence of character in the order. After checking that it is present in the given character in the given unordered map, so what we will do is we will calculate the frequency of our character, so which will be equals to and mp and ch. Okay, so it will give us the frequency. After that, what we have to do is while the character frequency is greater than 0, I have to add it in my answer. So I will do answer dot push. Oh, sorry, I have declared here result. So result dot push back my character. And every time I'm pushing it into my character, my frequency should get decreased. Okay. So after that, like here, we are adding character to the result string and decrementing it here. After that, I should erase that character from my unordered map as its all occurrences are already added in my result. After that, I will increment my idx index, and at last now I will run a for loop for the rest of the characters which are not added, which are not present in order. So for rest of the characters not not present in the given order string. So let's run this loop. So this will also like I will also run this loop with the help of my unordered map, because it contains the frequency of all the characters which are not added, so which will be not equals to 0 in it. So I will run a for loop for auto iterator will be mp.begin such that id not equals to mp.end, and I will increment my iterator. Now what I will do is I will first take the character from the given unordered map with the help of these arrows. That it.first will contain my character. Here you can see that first is character and second is its frequency. So first will be my character and second will be my frequency. So my frequency will be it second, and similarly here also we will run a for loop. Let's just copy and paste. We will run a for loop, and in this case this for loop will perform the same which it was doing in the upper loop, and I need not to erase it from my unordered map. At last what I will do is I will return my result. Okay, so let us see what we have done in this code. So firstly we have created a map to store the character frequencies. Okay, this loop is performing the same. Then this is my index, this is my answer string, and after that I have run a while loop checking for my idx. Yeah, index should be less than the order length, and first taking the character single character from order string, and after that I'm checking in my unordered map that if that character is present, then I will calculate its frequency with the help of map, and while my frequency is greater than 0, I'll run a while loop and add it into my result. After that I will remove that character from my unordered map. And every time we have to increment the loop variable. For rest of the characters we are giving this loop, like we are running this loop to add the rest of the characters which are not added in the above loop. So we will, with the help of an iterator, we will start, and we will first take the character. We will first take the character, and second we will take its count, its frequency here. Okay, and after running this loop we append it to our result, and at last we are returning the result as our output. So let's try to run it. It says expected expression. Okay, let's remove the semi dot here. Let's try to run this again. Okay, it should be erased. It is accepted. Now let's just submit this. It is successfully running. So I hope this video is clear to you, and please like on it, comment on it, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.